analytics and application class. I'm going to read out the question. You want to use your book and pen or pencil, you can do that. Okay? Listen to me carefully. Here I go. Ready? शुरू करें?
Yes.
The school arranged for a picnic for students of grade 6. Okay? School arranged picnic for students of grade 6. Everybody is already smiling. Okay? 10 teachers went along with 110 students. 10 teachers went along with 110 students. Okay? They went to a theme park. Right? Theme park means something like apna Ad Labs, Imagika.
I want to see that ride, please.
Listen, we are in analytics class. We will pay attention to what I am telling Vihan. Okay? 10 teachers went along with 110 students. Vihan, you are not looking to solve the sum, kya?
I'm just sitting all the sums.
Okay.
101 children, ma'am.
110, Baba. Listen carefully and put it inside here. I've said it 3 times. It should already be here now.
Yes, 110.
50 students ate pizzas.
What? 50 students.
I'll not repeat myself so many times. Huh? 50 students ate pizzas. 60 students ate burger and sandwich. 50 FIFTY students ate pizzas. 60 okay, 60 students ate burgers and sandwiches.
60,
all the
ma'am.
110 students ate ice creams. Okay, all the 110 students ate ice creams.
Ma'am, pizza how many? Sorry, burger how many? 8. How many? 8 children. 8.
One minute. Who did he ask the question to? Who did he ask the question to? He asked the question to me. I will answer. Okay. 50 students, that is 50 students ate pizzas. 60 students, 60 students ate veg burgers and sandwiches. 60 students ate veg burgers and sandwiches. 110 students ate ice creams.
8 ice cream.
The teachers ate sandwiches and had a coffee each. Calculate the money spent on the trip. Okay? Did you understand everything I said?
Teacher had what? Ma'am, 50 rupees one pizza.
Did I mention money of the pizza? I never mentioned money of the pizza. I said 60 students ate burger and sandwich. And 50 students ate pizza. 50 students ate pizza doesn't mean pizza is 50 rupees. Please listen carefully and understand what I'm telling.
Teachers ate how many sandwiches?
Teachers ate sandwiches and had a coffee each. Now you have to find out the total money spent. Now I will give you the menu card rate. मेनू कार्ड का रेट अब मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी. अभी तक तो मैंने पैसे बताया ही नहीं था कहीं पे भी.
And teacher what ate coffee and
How many teachers?
10
teachers were there.
10 teachers. All teachers ate sandwiches and had one coffee each. Okay. Now write the menu card. Menu card लिख लो अभी फटाफट. Don't keep asking क्या teacher नहीं पूछना है. I will repeat all of it twice. Pay attention and listen to me. Menu card का pricing लिखो. Burger 60 rupees. Burger 60 rupees.
One na?
Pizza 85 rupees. Pizza 85 rupees. Sandwich 30 rupees. Sandwich 30 rupees. Ice cream 40 rupees. Ice cream 40 rupees. Coffee 25 rupees. Coffee 25 rupees. प्रणव कुठे बघतोय? कोण आहे तिकडे? Okay. All right. So teachers, there are 10 teachers. Students, there are 110 students. 110 students. 50 students ate pizza. And 60 students ate burgers and sandwiches. Okay. Now you have to tell me how much money we spent on the trip. Your time starts now. You have another 20 minutes to complete the sum. 20 minutes to come up with the answer. Very easy. We will have to do this exact calculation if we ever went on a school picnic. If we assign volunteers, you will have to do this.
$240 is the total amount.
I don't know. If you have already calculated the whole thing, you just wait. We'll just wait for others also to come up with it. Kanishka, you want to say something? Okay.
Ma'am, answer is 465. 465.
Subhan said, what did Subhan say? What was the answer? 240. Ranveer
240.
says 465. हम सब एक ही पिकनिक में गए थे ना? Interesting. Okay, keep your answers and check it up again.
Ranveer, you were wrong because we want to calculate 50 students also.
Subhan, who is right, who is wrong, we are not going to discuss. You have solved it. You please go back and check how you got only 240. You have to find the total money we spent on the trip, okay? Which includes pizzas, burgers, sandwiches, coffee, everything. So you better go back and check what all you've done.
But 240.
240 इतना ही? एक पिज्जा का कॉस्ट 85 रुपीज है और 50 बच्चों ने पिज्जा खाया है. टोटल मनी स्पेंट ऑन द ट्रिप 240 ही आया. सोचो सोचो.
But ma'am, they have eaten only 8 pizzas.
Yeah, they have eaten only 8 pizzas, but I said 50 students ate pizzas. 50
Each
बच्चों ने पिज्जा खाया.
पर उनने एक में ही सब कुछ भगा दिया है ना.
ऐसा कहाँ
Then-
लिखा है? इतना सब डिटेल किधर दिया है कि एक ही पिज्जा में 50 बच्चों ने पिज्जा खाया? ऐसे कहाँ लिखा है? I said 50 students ate pizzas. मतलब 50 बच्चों ने पिज्जा खाया. सोचो सोचो, सॉल्व करो, तुम्हारे पास टाइम है. जब टाइम मिलता हो ना, उसको पूरा यूटिलाइज करो. हाँ प्रणव बोलो.
बर्गर कितने लोगों ने खाया है?
60 students ate burgers and sandwiches. 60 60 60 60 बच्चों ने बर्गर एंड सैंडविच दोनों खाया है. Kanishka, Ranveer, everybody went out of the network. Oof. So, Mila kya answer?
What?
What according to you is the answer, Pranav? Nothing. We have all gone on a trip, huh? And अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि 100-200 में काम निपटने वाला है तो नहीं निपटने वाला, ये मेरा straight upfront clue है कि it is definitely not 240.
It is not 240.
You are still
God,
saying
it is
247.
more than. No,
Ma'am, I got next answer.
What is next
What?
answer? I want to know what is the total amount we have spent on the trip, which includes
7,650.
My
Oh,
answer-
wow. Pranav says 7,650. अब तुम बोल रहे हो ना, वरना कहाँ कि बच्चे लोग ही 100-110 है and you are saying only 240 was spent. I am like shocked. ये क्या है? हम चिल्लर में सामान खरीद रहे हैं.
Ma'am, my answer is 7,620.
Acha, now you've changed it. Now you made it to 7,620. Okay. I have written both your answers. You started with 240. Vihan, what is your answer?
What was your answer?
What?
What was your answer?
I will not tell.
What is it?
Oh, Vihan, why have you gone on mute? Vihan, what is your answer?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. But the answer is 3600.
If you don't know, none of us know. We all have to find it out. There's nothing to feel bad in that. Come on, find it. It's a simple addition and multiplication to find out.
1,050.
So who can tell me how much was spent on pizza?
Ma'am, Suman copied my answer.
Hey, keep quiet. Don't worry. He can. He's not even next. He's not even sitting next to you, and he's going to copy your answer.
Ma'am, I
Wait, no.
answer, ma'am.
You have to give me information step by step. Then only you can be correct.
Where's Tanishka?
What's the total cost of pizza? The pizza story is such that 50 students ate pizza. Okay, 50 students ate pizzas. So what is the total spend on pizza?
250.
Total you spent only 250 on pizza. One pizza itself is 85 rupees and 50 children ate it. It will only be 250.
5,1000.
40,500.
Ma'am, 5,1000 for pizza.
5,100. Please explain to me how do you write 5,100?
5,100. Ma'am, 5,100.
Vihan has the answer. Vihan, what is the answer you got?
I don't think so.
Vihan, what was the total spent on pizza? What is the answer you got?
What is it? Ma? What is it? Oh.
Vihan actually gave me the right answer.
Ma'am.
Vihan, what is the answer? Yes, Tanishka.
Where is it? Where is it? I lost the page.
Vihan is searching for the page. Are Vihan, look at Tanishka. She's searching for the whole book.
I think it's 40,500.
40,500. No.
Yes.
I want to ask the total cost of pizza. You told me the right answer.
4,250.
Cool. Now explain to the whole class, Vihan, how you got 4,250.
I'm not there.
Vihan, explain to us how you got
I don't
4,250.
know.
Please, Vihan.
I don't know. I don't know. Answer it. I don't.
Come on, Vihan, explain again. Pranav did not understand how you got that answer.
Vihan, please explain to me now.
It is.
It's 50 students into 85 rupees. 50 students into 85 rupees. How many students ate pizzas? 50 students ate pizzas. What is the cost of one pizza? 85 rupees. So how much will it be if 50 students ate it?
Ma'am, can I have a snacks break?
Yeah, go.
Sorry.
अरे प्रणव समझ में आया क्या? प्रणव समझ में आया कि नहीं समझ में आया?
Maya.
सुभान समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, so now let's go to burgers. No, we are not going to eat burger now. Let's go to the calculation of burgers. Very cute, huh, Subhan? Very cute. Subhan wants to eat burgers in analysis class. Very nice. We'll do that when we are in dance school.
Ma'am, what is the one burger price?
How many students ate burgers? 60 students ate burgers. What is the cost of one burger?
60 rupees.
So what will be the cost of 60 burgers?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
60 students into 60 rupees is 3,000.
No.
Then
Ma'am, 6,600. 3,600.
yes. Kyare. 3,000, 6,000. What are you telling? Got it? 60 students into 60 rupees for burgers. How much is it? 3,600. Yeah, Tanishka, क्या हुआ? Oh, finally Ranveer is back in network. Yes, Tanishka, क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, I got new answer I got.
Of course. Now, Pakka, you all will get new answer.
Ma'am, it is
Thanks to
correct.
Vihan. Say thanks to Vihan.
Thank you.
What is the real answer?
Oh, there have been many real answers. Ranveer, wait. Let me talk. We started with 240 rupees being the whole spent on the trip. Then we went to 465. Then we went to 7,650. And now I think we are going to go into the rounds of 10,000s and 14,000s. Nobody has found the answer yet.
3,000. Ma'am,
My
153,000.
answer is 465.
Ranveer, your answer is 465. I am going to make you take another class with Vihan Saxena now. Because Vihan taught everyone how to get to the right answer. Vihan, can you explain to Ranveer
Ma'am,
how you
look
got the
what
right
I
answer?
did.
No,
Ma'am, can I just tell what I did?
whatever you done is wrong. You wait. Vihan, what is the cost of pizza? Please explain to us.
15 to 85, 4,250 rupees.
Did you get that, Ranveer? What is the total cost for pizza? How many students ate pizzas?
85, 50.
50 students ate pizzas. What is the cost of one pizza?
85.
As per the menu card, what is the cost of one pizza? 85, right? So one pizza
Yes.
is 85 rupees. 50 students will eat. What will be the total cost? Chalo, karo
85 into
multiplication and
50.
find out.
Ma'am, I got last answer I got.
Tell me. Okay, tell me your last answer. I will note that also. Tell me.
153,000.
You mean 1,53,000? Are you serious? You mean we spent 1,53,000 on one picnic trip from the
Ma'am,
school?
4,250.
अगले 2 साल के लिए स्कूल
4,250.
पिकनिक में नहीं लेके जाएगा. अगले 2 साल का पिकनिक कैंसिल.
Ma'am, 4,250.
Okay. Tanishka, did you get 4,250 for pizza?
No.
So what are you sitting and looking at us for? Please do the multiplication. So now, in the same way, go for burgers, go for sandwiches, go for ice creams, go for teachers' sandwiches, teachers' coffee. Oh God, तुम लोग को कैलकुलेटर बना के लेके गए ना पिकनिक में फिर गया.
So, ma'am.
Sandwiches are 50,000.
What?
No.
What?
Sandwiches are 50,000. Ma'am, put them on mute. Answer.
No, I like the commotion. No, I want to hear many numbers. I like the commotion. Everybody saying different answers. Very nice.
Sandwich answer.
What is one sandwich price?
One sandwich price is 30 rupees. एक sandwich 30 रुपए का है, 30 rupees.
और 50 स्टूडेंट्स ने खाए उसका कॉस्ट है 1,500.
50 students ने खाया sandwich की 60. 60.
900 sandwich price.
No, 1,500. 1,500.
God body. I think all of you have gone not on 6th standard picnic. One has gone on 6th standard picnic. One has gone on 6th standard picnic.
Ma'am, 10,700 is my answer.
Oh, now Ranveer has a new answer. Let me write that down. 10,700. Okay. I will now write that also.
1,800. My answer.
Subhan keeps multiplying. Pehle he started with 240. Then he gave answer as 7,620. Now, Subhan, what is your new answer?
6,350 is the answer.
Tanishka is now walking in like a dinosaur and she gives the first attempt answer which is 6,350. Right, Tanishka, what is your answer?
And
6,000.
multiplied all of them. Okay. And then I plussed all of them and I got the answer.
So Ranveer, you got 10,700.
Yes.
Interesting. Chalo.
Got 8,000.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Wait. Subhan, what is your new answer?
15,000. 100.
Hey, decide one number. You already given me 3 answers.
1800.
Your total spend is 1800 or only sandwiches is 1800?
Sandwiches.
Good. Yes, Tanishka, tell me.
Ma'am, sandwiches that 60 children also have eaten sandwiches and 10 ma'ams are also eaten sandwiches. We will do 70 into 30 now.
Ma'am, what is the cost of one ice cream?
40, 40.
And ma'am, what is the cost of one? What is it last one? What was last menu?
Coffee 25 rupees.
25 rupees one.
Yeah, one coffee is 25 rupees.
And ma'am, how many children drink? 10 ma'ams, no?
10 each.
So one teacher had 10 coffees.
No. Ma'am, I wanted to say, look, 85 into 50, I got 4,250. And then 13 to 60, I got 1,800.
Ma'am,
Then 110 into 40, I got 4,400. Then I did 10 into 25, 250. And then I plus all of them and I got 10,700.
But Ranveer, you forgot burgers and sandwiches. You forgot burgers and sandwiches. You forgot that 60 students ate veg burgers and sandwiches. You also forgot that teachers also ate sandwiches and had a coffee. Toing.
No, I didn't forget teachers had coffee. They had a 250.
Yeah, but you forgot that teachers also ate sandwiches. You also forgot that 60 students ate burgers. Chalo, go on your snack break. We have overshot our class. Chalo, go on your snack break. Go on your snack break.
Ma'am, I already ate snacks. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we were eating chocolate while we were doing this thing.
What is the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, what answer?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I got answer.
What is it, Pranav? Give me your third answer. Bolo.
Ma'am, I already ate snacks.
14,000.
Ma'am.
Wait, Vihan, don't shout. Wait. Pranav ka third attempt answer is 14,000. Vihan, what is your answer? What is your final answer?
It is 40,500.
14,500. Did you say 14,500? Vihan, please batao na yaar. What is your final answer? Did you say 40,000 or 14,000? Yes, Subhan, tell me.
Unmute me.
Yes, Subhan, unmute yourself. Tell me.
Ma'am, you have muted me.
Now, bolo.
I know. Ma'am, it is snack break.
Do you want to go on a snack break? Are you hungry? You barely solved the sum and you are already hungry.
answer.
Take your snack break and come back. Go take your snack break. Go 10 minutes snack break. Go. Vihan, you are not listening to us now. What do I tell you? Whenever you feel like, अब मैं क्या बोलूं? They are yet to have it.
14,000 is the answer.
What is the answer?
14,000.
You all are
Then
very
what is
close.
the last?
I am not going to tell the answer. We have to solve it together.
You will not tell. Now I will do it. Oh. No.
Ranveer, go take your snack break. Go.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Just like yes.
Ma'am, 32 lakhs 48,900.
Did you say 32 lakhs?
Yes.
I'm telling you, Ranveer, if the cost of going for one picnic for one grade is 32 lakhs, for the next 10 years, you're not going to have any more picnics. Finished. No picnics for the next 10 years.
Ma'am,
I'm going to spend 32 lakhs on one picnic, no? Just for one day to a theme park. I'm not taking out for any picnic.
14,600.
Pranav, what did you say?
14,600.
Ah, yeah, finally somebody said the right answer. Finally somebody said the right answer. Pranav, you are right. It is 14,600. Now I don't know what all these people are calculating. Either we all went on a different trip or none of you know how to do addition and multiplication. That is a problem. क्या बोलते हो?
Ma'am, I did it.
What is your final answer, Ranveer? You gave me final answer as 10,700, which is wrong. This is such a simple sum, you know. If we went on a picnic, I am going to make Pranav our cashier because he will give me the correct calculation. Everybody else seems to be going on different trips.